That's C major. It's an open E chord formation moved up to the 6th string, but the reason it's C major second inversion is because we're assigning C as the root note, because C, E, and G make a C major triad. So if you have C, G's above it, it's the 5th. Because we talked about in the last video that if, with the exception of B, if you have a string above another string, that's the 5th interval. Now, because it's tuned to fourths, going from C to F would be a 4th. But if you knock it back 1 fret, you're actually going from a 4th to a 3rd. So what you're doing is, you're taking C suspended 4, and you're making it C major. Because you have C as the root, G is above it, so it's the 5th. And then if you take the F 4th back to a 3rd, it's E. So it's C major. We can do the same thing with G over here. This would be G suspended 4. This would be G major. Oh, what chord is this? Well, if I go if I go like this, because I know where G is, using the 10 fret method, down here, this is also G. So if I make an E major, that's G. And you can even make G major like this, but you don't have to. But you could. But you don't have to. So that's a really neat thing to know, that an E major chord formation on the 5th and 6th strings is going to create 5th, root, 3rd. Now because it's tuned to fourths, you're going back 1 for the 3rd. If you want to make a suspended 4th out of a major, just take your 4th finger and put it in front of the 3rd. And that's a really easy way to remember that. The 4th finger for a suspended 4th. Just put it in front of the 3rd. 4th finger. 4th finger. Now if B was C like we talked about before, you could get the same note 2 strings down 2 frets over, but it's not, so you have to move 3 frets over. Because of the way the guitar is tuned in semitones, D is 5 semitones from A, G is 5 semitones from D, B is 4 semitones from G, and E is 5 semitones from B. So basically what happens is you have from E to D 10 semitones, from A to G 10 semitones. From D to B you have 9, and from G to E you have 9. Because once you get to that G string, it totally messes everything up. I call it the temperament seam, because as soon as you cross the GB barrier, everything is now different. And the reason why is because E to D is 10, A to G is 10. D to B is 9, and G to E is 9. And that is why you can have the same note 2 strings down 2 frets over. Because you're getting 10 semitones out of E to D. It's 10 notes, but you gotta have 2 frets over to get 12, which is your octave. The other way, now after you cross the GB boundary, you're gonna only have 9. From A to F sharp, that's only 9. So now you gotta go 3 frets over to get 12. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video to support the channel. And in the description, you can check out the book, download the first chapter for free, download all of my slides that I've ever used for any video, and watch all of my YouTube videos in one place.